Now, a couple tricks to threading a drawstring. The first easy trick is to just tie a knot in the end of this string and use it to pull it around. Another trick is to use one of these handy dandy drawstring threader tools. If we were doing a larger drawstring, we would definitely be using this. But we're going to go back to the tried and true method of using a paper clip or safety pin. All we're going to do is tie this thread in a knot around this paper clip, and then we're going to use it kind of like a needle to thread through. Okay, so I'm just going to start this through one side here and just scrunch it up and pull. Scrunch, pull, scrunch, pull, scrunch, pull, all the way around until we get back to the other hole that we're coming out of, and voila! We have just threaded a drawstring. Now all you need to do is untie that and you're good to go.